Good day, viewers at home. This is a question on angles in a triangle, which was posted online by some students and some requested for the solution. We have two different triangles here. We have triangle ABC and there's triangle BDE. But both are combined and we are to find the values of X and Y. First of all, we'll get the value of X. Now, if you look at this angle X, it is an exterior angle to this other triangle. You know, this is triangle ABC. This line BC was produced up to D. So this angle X now is outside the triangle ABC. So we call it an exterior angle. An exterior angle of any triangle is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angles. So which means this X now is the same thing as the sum of 25 and 40. So our X is equal to 25 degrees plus 40 degrees, which is what? 65 degrees. That is the value of X. Now the value of Y, if you look at this, this is a triangle. Triangle D is DEB, or we call it BDE. We have X, Y, and 35 degrees inside the triangle. So since we've gotten the value of X to be 65 degrees, so that means X is 65 plus 35 plus Y is equal to 180 degrees. So 65 degrees plus 35 degrees is 100. So that is 100 degrees plus Y is equal to 180 degrees. So that means my Y will now be, when this one comes to the right hand side, we have 100 degrees minus, 180 degrees minus 100 degrees. So Y equals 80 degrees. Another way that we can get this X, though a bit longer, is this triangle ABC. We can get the value of this angle first by using the sum of angles in a triangle, which is 180 degrees. So if you add up 25 and 40, it will give you 65 degrees. To get the value of this angle, you subtract 65 from 180. It will give us 115. Then we'll now use 115 degrees plus X is equal to 180, sum of angles in a straight line. So you can see that that one takes longer process. But let's put it in written form. 25 degrees plus 40 degrees is equal to 65 degrees. So the third angle here, this third angle, you call it, let's say, theta. This third angle will be 180 degrees minus 65 degrees. So this one will give us 115 degrees. We got this 180 because the sum of angles in a triangle is 180. So if you add up this and you subtract from 180, it will give you the value of this third angle. And we can see that this angle and X are on a straight line. So we can now say theta plus X is equal to 180 degree angles on a straight line. So that means, and theta is what? 115 plus X equals 180. So X will now be 180 degrees minus 115. So X equals 65. We can see that the value of X that we got by just adding 25 and 40, that is exterior angle of a triangle, is still the same thing that we got when we use this other method. We can now see that this one is a bit longer and it takes more time than this other method, but we can use any of the two. So if you use this method to get the value of X, then you apply the value of X to get the value of Y. Same thing here, if you use this other method to get the value of X, then you can now apply that same value, 65 degrees, to get the value of Y. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe.